Can't connect? Fix Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro pairing issues. Fix 1. Update software on your phone. Step 1. Open the Huawei Health app. Step 2. Navigate to Me. Check for updates to ensure the app is up to date. On your watch, Step 1. Press the Up button to access the app list. Step 2. Go to Settings System and Updates, Software Updates. Step 2. Go to Settings System and Updates, Software Updates. Step 3. Tap Check for Updates and follow the on-screen instructions to install any available updates. Fix 2. Restart devices on your phone. Step 1. Turn off Bluetooth. Go to Settings, Bluetooth, then toggle it off. Step 2. Restart your phone. Step 3. After rebooting, turn Bluetooth back on your watch. Press and hold the side button until the watch restarts. Fix 3. Unpair previous connections on your phone. Step 1. Go to Settings, Bluetooth. Step 2. Find your watch in the list of paired devices. Step 3. Tap the eye icon next to the watch's name and select Forget this device. In Huawei Health app, Step 1. Open the Huawei Health app. Step 2. Tap Devices, then select your watch. Step 3. Tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner and choose Unpair Device. Fix 4. Factory Reset Watch Note. This will erase all data on your watch. Step 1. On your watch, go to Settings, System Reset. Step 2. Confirm the reset and wait for the process to complete.